Hello dear students, how are you everyone? I hope everyone is fine. Very good. How are you doing at staying at your home? I think you are doing well. Thank you students. Students, let's recite the ABC song all together. Okay? চলো সবাই আমরা ABC songটা একসাথে গাই? Okay. Let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time sing along with me. Okay, dear student. Today we are going to work on Unit 12, Lesson 3 to 5, Activity A and B. Okay, but before going there, I'd like to have some review on your previous class. What have you learned on your last class? I think it was on numbers, right? Can you tell me the numbers from 31 to 40? Okay, tell me the numbers from 31 to 40. 31, right? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Very good, excellent. Now, can you tell me which number comes after 31? Exactly, very good. It's 32. Can you tell me which number comes before 35? Yes, it's 34. Can you tell me the next number of 39? What is next to 39? Yes, exactly, it's 40. Very good. Now students, let's go to our today's class. Today we are going to learn the cursive letters of the alphabets, okay, cursive forms of the alphabet. You already learned some cursive forms of the alphabets, but today we are going to work on 4 letters. Let's see what are the letters. Okay, students, have a look here. These are the letters we are going to work on today. Now, I will say the letters, you just listen and look at the board, okay? Very good. Q, Q, K, K, R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 T. Thank you. Now, can you say the letters, sound of the letters? Okay, say with me again. Now you have to repeat after me, okay? You have to repeat after me, okay? Q, Q, K, K, R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 T. Very good. Students, now we will learn how to write the cursive forms of these letters. Now we are going to work on these 4 letters, how to write them in cursive forms. এবার আমরা শিখব কিভাবে এই 4টা লেটার cursive ফর্মে লেখা যায়, okay? Are you ready? Take your pencil and your workbook and notebook, okay? Your handwriting workbook and notebook. Take your book and have a look here. You will see a red arrow on the cursive letter. তোমরা দেখতে পাবে cursive বর্ণটির উপরে একটি লাল রঙের তীর চিহ্ন দেওয়া আছে। সবাই কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো? ঠিক এখানে। Can you see this students? Okay, তোমরা দেখো এই তীর চিহ্নটি উপর থেকে নিচের দিকে ইঙ্গিত করছে. That means we have to come down. Okay, let's see how am I writing this. You have to start from here and then come down and again up and up. Okay, students, let's start it again. You have to start from here, here, and then come down, round, down, and up, and again up. Okay, again try to write it. You have to start from here and then come down, round, down, up and up. Okay? Let's write it again. Round, down, up and up. Again write it. Round, down, up and up. Clear, students? Now, say with me the letter, sound of the letter. Q, Q, K, K. Again, Q, Q, K, K. Very good. Okay, students? Let's go to the next letter. চলো এবার পরের বর্ণে যাই। Okay. Say with me, what is it? R, 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 R. Very good. Again, R, 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 R. Thank you. Now, let's have a look how to write the cursive forms. Again, look at your book. Look at the red arrow mark. এবার সবাই আবার লাল তীর চিহ্নের দিকে তাকাও। দেখো, it's saying us to go up. Okay? It is indicating towards up. Now, then, let's start from this side. Okay? Again, let's start from here. Okay? Write it again. Thank you. Again say with me, what is it? R. The sound is R. Try to repeat after me. R. Again, R. Thank you. Now, let's go to the next letter. What is it? S. S. Sa. Sa. Again, S. S. Sa. Sa. Very good. Let's look at here again on the book. The arrow mark is showing us to go up like the previous letter. আগের লেটারটির মতো এটাও আমাদেরকে বলছে আমাদেরকে উপরে যেতে হবে. Okay? Look at here. Okay? You have to start from here, then go up and then go down and here. Okay? Again try to write it. Start from here. Okay? Very good. Now try to say with me again. What is it? S, S, Sa, Sa. Thank you. Now, let's go to the next letter. What is it? T, T. The sound is T, T. Say with me again. T, 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 T. Okay. Let's look at the book again. The arrow mark is telling us to go up. Again, we have to start from the bottom and then go up. আমরা আবার নিচে থেকে শুরু করে উপরের দিকে যাব. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, again. Can you see this? Again, start from here, then go up, down. Okay, let's write it again. Okay, student, তোমরা দেখেছো কিভাবে আমরা লিখলাম? নিচের থেকে শুরু করে উপরের দিকে যাব এবং আবার নিচে নেমে বাঁকা হব. ঠিক আছে? Thank you. Now, say with me the sound ta, ta, t, t, ta, ta. Very good. Now, everyone, say with me again all the letters together. Okay? Q, Q, K, K, R, 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 S, 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 S. Very good. Now the last letter T, 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 T. Excellent. I hope everyone has got the letters with proper sound, right? আশা করছি সবাই এই লেটারগুলো প্রপার সাউন্ডে উচ্চারণ করতে পারছো. Okay, students, now you have to work by yourself. Take your book. Can you see the activity B here? তোমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছ অ্যাক্টিভিটি বি তে কি আছে? Here we have two lines and the letters are written in dots. লেটারগুলো ডট ডট দিয়ে লেখা আছে। You have to practice writing the cursive forms in these dot letters. Okay? সবাই আমরা এখন এই ডটগুলো ফিল আপ করে করে আমরা এখন এই দুইটা লাইনে লেটারসগুলো লেখা প্র্যাকটিস করব। ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, সবাই একটু দেখো, আমি একটা লিখে দেখাচ্ছি। You have to follow me. Start with the Q. Okay? Start with the first letter. Start from here, come down, up and up. Again, start from here, down, up and up. Then here, down, up, and again come here, down, up. Like this. You have to fill the lines like this. Okay? তোমাদেরকে এখন এইভাবে একটার পরে একটা লেটার লিখে যতটুকু জায়গা দেওয়া আছে তোমরা সেই জায়গাটা ফিল আপ করবে। দেখো, you have to come up to the letter R. তোমাদেরকে কতটুকু লিখতে হবে? লেটার R যে যতটুকু পর্যন্ত লেখা আছে সেই পর্যন্ত এসে থেমে যেতে হবে। ওকে? Obviously use the pencil, do not use the pen. Clear my students? তোমরা অবশ্যই পেন্সিল দিয়ে এই জায়গাগুলো লিখবে, কলম ব্যবহার করবে না, because you have to erase the letters again. তোমাদেরকে এই লেটারগুলো আবার মুছে ফেলতে হবে, then you have to practice again. Okay? Let's do it. Okay students, have you completed writing the Q letter? তোমরা কি Q বর্ণটি লেখা প্র্যাকটিস করেছো? I hope you have done it. Now follow me in the air. আমি এখন I will trace in the air. You have to follow with your fingers. Okay? Get ready to do it. Let's do it. Round, down, up and up. Let's do it again. Round, down and up and up. Okay? Do it by yourself. সবাই একটু নিজের মতো করে দেখো তো বাতাসে করতে পারছো কিনা? Okay, let's go to the next letter. Okay? Okay. Look at your book at activity B. Here the R is written in dots. Can you see this, students? R লেটারটি ডট দিয়ে লেখা আছে। You have to copy the writing above these dots. Okay? তোমাদেরকে এখন এই ডটগুলোর উপর এই লেটার রাইটিংটা প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। Then do it by yourself again as before. Like this. Start from here and again up, again, like this. You have to follow this chain. তোমাদেরকে এখন এক টানে এই সবগুলো লেটার লিখতে হবে। কতটুকু পর্যন্ত লিখবে? You have to start from here and you will end in the end of the line. Have you done it, students? I hope you have practiced in the dots. Okay? Now look at me. I'll trace in the air, writing the letter R. Okay? Look at here. You'll start like this. Go up and then come down, down and up. Okay? Again, start from the bottom. Go up, down, down and up. Okay? Again, do it. Like this. Go up and bend down and up. Okay? Do it by yourself now. এবার একটু নিজে চেষ্টা করে দেখো তো নিজেরা করতে পারছো কিনা? I hope you are doing it well. Thank you. Now, let's come to our next letter. What is it? S, sa. Okay? Again, go back to your book. Here we have the dots in second line. তোমরা সবাই দেখো দ্বিতীয় লাইনে S লেটারটি ডট দিয়ে লেখা আছে। You have to practice here on the next line, second line. Okay? You have to practice like this. First one, you have to move your pencil and then copy the second line. Okay? Like this. You have to follow the chain. তোমরা এখন এক টানে পেন্সিল ঘুরিয়ে এই লেটারগুলো লিখবে কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত লিখবে আপ টু দ্য লেটার টি টি বর্ণটি আসার আগ পর্যন্ত তোমরা লিখেই যাবে ঠিক আছে okay start writing I hope you have done it okay now let's again trace in the air okay like this from the bottom side go up and bend and down and up again up down and up again up down and up okay thank you do it by yourself এবার নিজে করে দেখো তো করতে পারছো কিনা বাতাসে আঙ্গুল ঘুরিয়ে দেখো করতে পারছো কিনা okay thank you now the last letter what is the last letter it's T okay let's write it follow the dots in your second line and follow as before you have to follow the chain like as before আগের মতোই এটাও চেইন ফলো করে তোমরা লেখা শেষ করবে লাইনের একদম শেষ পর্যন্ত ঠিক আছে okay student do it by yourself in your exercise book I hope you have done all the letters in these dots okay আশা করছি সবাই এই সবগুলো বর্ণ এখন এই দ্বিতীয় লাইনে দুইটা লাইনে লিখতে পেরেছো চলো এবার সবাই একসাথে সবগুলো বর্ণ লিখি ওকে লেটস ডু ইট কিউ কিউ ক ক R R R R S S S S T T T T okay students now do it by yourself without watching the book okay without looking at the book বইটা না দেখে এখন ট্রাই করো সবাই নিজেদের খাতায় ইংলিশ হ্যান্ডরাইটিং খাতায় এটা প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারো কিনা ঠিক আছে ওকে ডু ইট Okay students now it's time to give you the homework তোমাদেরকে পুরো পৃষ্ঠা ভরে এই দুইটা বর্ণ লিখতে হবে এভাবে দুইটা পেজে চারটা বর্ণ তোমরা বাড়িতে লিখে রাখবে obviously preserve the khata when your school will be opened then show the khata to your teacher and then teacher will give you the feedback okay dear students that's all for today thank you very much goodbye for now